welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing my newest planner in my planner stack, as well as my first Plum paper planner. So if you've been following me for a while, you know that I'm a brand loyalist. I typically don't try new brands, but I've really been trying to find a perpetual A5 planner outside of my ring system, and it's just been, I haven't found one that works for me. I haven't found a layout that I like, and Plum paper is huge in the planner community. I've seen a lot of people who love it and try it, and so I just think I was finally at the point where I wanted to try something new. So here we are trying something new. I'll go over everything that I ordered. If you're new to Plum paper like I am, you have the option to make this completely customized. I say that because it's an option, and it's a really great option, but at the same time you don't have to completely customize it if you don't, which I didn't. I like having structure, but I don't like, yeah, we'll see. I wanted to customize it to an extent, if that makes sense. So let's go ahead, open her up, and check out my new planner. So, as I mentioned, I needed a new A5 planner. So this is an A5 planner. And then I got the A5 Me planner. One reason why I also decided to finally try Plum paper is because they were having a sale. I think it was like a fall sale, so everything was like an additional 15% off, which is really nice. So they have perks, and then I can apply to become an affiliate. Actually, if I really like this planner, I'll probably apply to become an affiliate, and I'm actually really hoping this works for me. So here's the cover that I chose. So to me this looked like a peacock, but apparently it's a butterfly. So this is the butterfly design. Apparently I'm blind, but I also just loved the color scheme. I got the gold coil, which was additional, but I'm just a gold person, and it's more like a chrome, which I actually really like. And then the planner itself, actually, like the cover covers the tabs, so it helps protect the tabs, which is actually interesting. Not a lot of planners do that. And then we open it up, we have our A5 planner. So again, weekly planner. We have this paper belongs to, we have a year at a glance, next year at a glance, special dates. I got an all neutral planner, of course. We have ideas, plans, goals, and then a note section, and then we go straight into our months. So as I mentioned, all neutral. I got it starting in October, since it said that it would ship within a week, which, by the way, I am so impressed with the shipping speed of Plum paper. As I mentioned, I got this on sale. I got it somewhat customized, so like, I don't know, I was just really impressed. I ordered it and got this within like a week. So very impressed with Plum paper. But since I knew it was coming in a week, I decided to start it in October, seeing as I was going to get it end of September. So here's our monthly overview. So we have some grid, some blank spots, a list, and then a note page. And then we have a monthly view. This is one thing that I did customize. So I did add lines. If you've been following me for a bit, you know I love structure, and so wherever I can add lines, I will always add lines. I don't like blank space, and I don't really like Docker that much. I want to have some form of line to write on. You can also customize what holidays go in here, so I was able to actually remove some, or like tweak what was in here. So I actually really liked that as well. And then here is the weekly view. So we have the first week of October. You have a little month at a glance, a to-do section, and then a little note section. I figured I put like stickers or something in this section. It was blank. These are customizable, so if you wanted it to say something else, you could. And then same with the like subject areas. So this is the part where I said you can choose how you want to customize it, right? So if you knew exactly what categories you want, you could have them in here, and then everything matches. I personally, for the most part, stick to the same categories when I use a planner of this style. However, I didn't want to do that and narrow myself down, just in case I wanted to switch it up, especially since this is a new planner for me. So I just left it blank, and then I'll update the sections each week. I'm fine with that. But yeah, here's the A5. And so This is really nice. So y'all know that I have used an Erin Condren teacher lesson planner before for tactical planning, if you've been following me for a bit. And I wish I could have gotten that in an A5. They don't make an A5. So when I was looking around the Plum paper website and I was trying to find something slightly different than what's in my agendas, I noticed they had this and it was very similar to the ECTLP, and I loved using that for tactical. So I saw it was an A5 and I figured I would get it and try it out. So really excited to do this. And again, we'll probably set up like this first week maybe together. We'll see. But yeah, we have the dated month week by week, end of the month notes, and then we have new tab, and same thing. This is a 12-month planner, so it'll go to September. And let's see if there's anything that's in the back. So we have some dot grid note paper, contact section, passwords, and then 2026. And then there's a pocket back here where you can put stickers and anything that you might need, which is actually really nice. So that is the new planner. And y'all, again, I'm just so excited to try this. Here's my Louis Vuitton agenda cover. So I'm going to be, I want to see how this fits in here with this cover, since it is slightly larger than most A5. So yeah, it fits. Oh, actually it's perfect. So here's what it looks like in the Louis Vuitton agenda cover, if y'all are interested in that. Yeah, it's actually perfect. Okay, so we have that, and now let's set up the first week. So like, so now let's look at how I currently plan to use it. So this is just rough draft. I added some stickers in here. This will probably change, but this is kind of what I was envisioning in a way. So we have 6 different categories. As I mentioned, right now they're probably going to change on the weekly basis, trying to figure out what's going to work for me and how I want to use this planner. So keeping that in mind, the first few that I thought were important to try out were an overview. So this is just like anything going on throughout the day that I just want to highlight up here. Also maybe like this could also be like, another word for it would be priority section. Inbox, so anything coming in that I need to do. Household, anything regarding the home. Academic for school, content for this, and then outbox. Inbox versus outbox, I get a few questions because I use this a lot, and for me it's just how I process things getting done. So my inbox is, like I mentioned, anything coming in, so it's tasks, ideas, things I need to review, prioritize, schedule. That's the main thing, right? With like, especially since it's the beginning of the month, got a pay week, etc. Anything that I maybe didn't anticipate doing, messages or anything that I need to respond to. And then my outbox is tasks that are completed. They can be archived, they need to be archived, or like maybe I need to start tracking them, do something in addition to them, maybe throw it out something, maybe do like move something to a different day. So if I finish, for example, filming on Monday, but I don't get a chance to edit to Thursday, down here for outbox, I would just put in like need to edit video. This is also where I put it in like any follow-ups. So if I need to email someone, if I need to follow up on something, for example, with my like academic edits, if I don't hear back in a certain time, there's a like time frame where I need to follow up with the committee and the chair and say, hey, waiting on this, projects or assignments that I might want to like just postpone, anything like that. So that's how I personally like to use it. Use your planner however you like. But for now, this is what I'm currently thinking. I don't know what I'm going to put in the monthly, just because I already have a monthly overview. I'm like this when it comes to different planners though. If I, like especially coiled / softbound planners. Typically I just need the weekly view, so I'm okay with only using the weekly view, but you never know. Never say never. So yeah, for now, this is what we currently have, and that is going to be it for this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know, and thank you guys so much for watching.